Hello children. Today we are going to see about adjective and kinds of adjectives. Okay. Let me see what is adjective here. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Which describes or modifies the noun. Let me see the kinds of adjectives here. We have the adjectives in adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. What do you mean by adjectives of quality? That adjectives of quality is nothing but it shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. It shows the quality of the person or thing. For example, let me take Kolkata is a large city. What kind of the city it is? Large city. So here we can say that large is the quality. Let me see the second example. He is an honest man. So what kind of the man? He is an honest man. So this is the adjective here. The third sentence we have, the foolish old crow tried to sing. So what kind of the crow? The crow is the foolish old crow. Next example, this is the grammar of English language. So this is the grammar of English language. What kind of it is? This is the part of the English language, that is the grammar part. The second kind is adjective of quantity. So the quantity, adjective of quantity is nothing but it describes the quantity of something. Okay, let me see the example through the example here. I ate some rice. This is the quantity here, some rice. He showed much patience. Much patience. He has little intelligence. We have had enough exercise. He has lost all his wealth. You have no sense. Here we can say these are the quantities. Isn't it? You have no sense. That is no sense. How did not eat any rice? Take great care of your health. Take great care of your health. He climbed his half share of the body. There has not been sufficient rain this year. The whole sum was expended. So we can say like this the quantities here. Okay. So two kinds are there. One is quality and the other is quantity. Next kind of the adjective is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number shows how many persons or things are meant or in what order a person or thing stands. Let us see through the examples now. Each hand has 5 fingers. This is the adjective of number. 5 fingers. The next one, few cats like cold water. Few cats, few. There are no pictures in the book. I have taught you many things. All men must die. Here are some ripe mangoes. Most boys like cricket. There are several mistakes in your exercise. Sunday is the first day of the week. So the underlying things are the numbers. Okay, so we can say these are the adjectives of numbers. You can say the next type is demonstrative adjectives. This demonstrative adjectives, which is point to which noun or pronoun you are speaking about. which noun or pronoun you are speaking about. These 4 words will help you spot demonstrative adjectives this, that, these, those. Let me see through the examples now. Here we can say, this lady is stronger than Maha. We are talking about this lady, isn't it? So this is the indicator here. That boy is industrious. These books are good. Those girls must be encouraged. So we can say this, that, these, those are the keywords to the demonstrative adjectives. Okay. The next one we can say interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective pose a question. Here they need a noun or pronoun by their side here. It pose a question. Let me see through an example. What manner of man is he? What manner of the man is he? Which way shall we go? Whose book is this? So these are the interrogative adjectives here. Okay.